and this braid is good for like any kind of occasion. You can just do it for like a party or a day out with your girlfriends or for school. You just need a couple of things. You just need a brush and bobby pins, that's all. To brush your hair without any tangles or knots, I'm going to pick up a little hair, like a little chunk of hair like that, and I'm just gonna give it a quick brush and then divide this chunk into 3 equal sections like so. Now you got 3 little pieces like that. Now I'm going to take this top one, cross it over the middle, okay, and then I'm gonna just take this, you're going to cross it. Now just take this, just cross it over the middle like so. And with this piece you're going to pick up a little hair, okay, and then crossing it over the middle again. So now with this piece you might think like you're just going to cross it. No, but you're not going to cross it like that. You're just going to drop it and you're going to pick up a new section from here. So this I'm gonna put it in my mouth.